Hello once again. For this video we are doing optical illusions. This is what our end result is going to look like. So you'll notice I have a ruler with me. If you do not currently have a ruler right next to you, you can pause the video and go grab one for yourself. But if you do have your ruler already next to you and present, first thing you need to do is draw yourself a circle, just like I did here. Now we can do our ruler lines first, but I'm actually going to do my interior circle lines because you'll notice that I got a few different circles inside circles on this optical illusion. So I got my first one started off, and I'm not going to make them perfectly inside one another, so I'm having them a little bit off kilter. And the reason I'm doing that is to just add some visual interest, make it a little bit different. Remember, whenever you're drawing with pencil, you always want to draw very, very lightly. So I got my circles in. At this point, I'm going to go in and grab my ruler and do 1/2 inch notches all the way down on one side. Once you do one side, you got to do the opposite edge because we're going to connect them. All right, from here, it's kind of like that tic-tac-toe situation again, except this time around, our lines are a little bit curved. They got a little bit of attitude with them. So I'm gonna start off and following along my circular shape, and then coloring in my section. I'm going down. Make sure your lines are really, really crisp and precise. The more precise your lines are, the more accurate everything is, the happier you will be with your end result. So, and it's every other. So if you wanted to do your kitty corner ones like I did here, that's fine. Otherwise, you can always work one row or one section at a time. It's really whatever makes the most sense in your own brain. Everybody learns and works a little bit differently. You have to figure out what works best for you. Now, depending on how big or small your interior circles were, your lines might be in a slightly different place than mine are, and that's okay. Different is not bad, it's just different. And you're all learning. The more you practice, the better you get, just like with all things in life. All right, so you just continue on coloring in every other with that checkerboard pattern until you are finished with your optical illusion and you have this lovely creation. If this video was helpful, be sure to click that like button so I know you were able to successfully create your optical illusion. I hope this was helpful. Best of luck creating.